hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties of my present position
Hi, sir.
and all others that I may hereafter hold under the Republic of the Philippines. That I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same. That I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines. And that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God.
MashaAllah, and congratulations to the elected mayors and vice mayors of the Maguindanao del Sur for the oath of office.
Following the oath, there will be a brief photo opportunity.